You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to delete your recently closed tabs list in Safari on iPhone. Open the Safari app, tap the tabs icon in the bottom right, which looks like two overlapping squares. At the bottom of the tabs view, tap Recently Closed. You will see a list of all the web pages you've closed recently. To delete an individual tab, swipe left on it and tap Delete. To clear the entire list, tap Clear at the bottom of the recently closed screen. A confirmation will appear. Tap Clear All to confirm. Your recently closed tabs list is now empty. This action cannot be undone, so ensure you don't need to restore any of those pages. To prevent Safari from saving closed tabs in the future, you can use private browsing mode. Switch to a private tab by tapping the tabs icon, then tap Private at the bottom. Tabs closed in private mode are not saved to the recently closed list. This is a useful privacy and organizational step to clear your browsing history clutter. For more simple Safari tutorials, subscribe to the channel.